day, Sir Madam. My name is Gina Rose Martin. I was born on March 14, 1999. I am 25 years of age at this time. I am single parent, thus with one child. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 3 years. I have served 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 child, age of 4 years old. My main duties are ironing, gardening, and cleaning. Sir, Madam, I can overcome homesickness by keeping myself busy to my work. Sir, Madam, I will do my best to improve myself. To my future employer, I need this job and I love my work. I will respect and obey to my employer and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.